Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 5th August 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, the Father has come to change this brothel into the temple of Shiva. Your duty is to give God's message even to prostitutes and to benefit them. Question: which children cause themselves a great loss? Answer: those who miss a Murli, the study, due to any reason cause themselves a great loss. Some children sulk with one another and stop coming to class. They make one excuse or another and remain asleep at home. By doing this, they only cause themselves a loss, because Baba shares one or another new point every day. If you don't hear it, how could you put it into practice? Essence for Dharana. Number 1. Become very alert and active for doing service. Whenever you find time, sit down in solitude and remember the Father. Be deeply interested in studying. Never sulk with this study. Number 2. Let your behavior be very, very royal. We now have to return home. This old world is to be destroyed. Therefore, break all your strings of attachment. Practice staying in the stage of retirement, beyond sound. Serve even the most degraded ones to uplift them. Blessing for today. May you transform the attitudes of others with your elevated attitude and become an embodiment of constant success. Details are: in order to become an embodiment of success, perform the task of transforming others' attitudes with your own attitude and their thoughts with your thoughts. Do research on this. When you become busy in doing this service, you will then automatically be taken beyond many weaknesses. Now, make a plan for this and the number of students will increase, the income will increase a lot more, you will be given buildings, total success will be easily achieved. This method will make you into an embodiment of success. Slogan is: continue to use your time in a worthwhile way, and you will be saved from being deceived by it. Om Shanti. Avyakt signals. In order to be an easy yogi, become experienced in God's love. The Father has so much love for you children that in order to give you a response every day, He writes such a long letter. He gives love and remembrance and becomes your companion and fulfills the responsibility of companionship. For this love, surrender all your weaknesses to Him. Remain merged in God's love in such a way that no limited influence can attract you. Remain constantly lost in unlimited attainments through which the fragrance of spirituality spreads into the atmosphere.